Ordering tea at a cafe.
This cafe smells nice. I would like something warm, please.
Of course. What kind of tea would you like today?
I am not sure. Do you have a tea that is not too strong?
Yes, our lemon tea is light and our mint tea is very fresh.
Mint tea sounds good. Is it sweet?
No, it is not sweet, but you can add sugar or honey.
I will have mint tea with a little honey, please.
Sure. Would you like a small cup or a large cup?
A large cup, please. I want to sit and read for a while.
Okay. Would you like anything to eat with it?
What do you have today?
We have small cheese sandwich and apple cake.
The apple cake looks good. Is it very sweet?
It is a little sweet, but not too much.
Great. I will take one slice.
So, one large mint tea with honey and one slice of apple cake.
Yes, that is right.
That will be $6, please.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, you can tap your card here.
Done. Thank you.
Thank you. Your tea will be ready in 2 minutes.
Should I wait here or sit down?
You can sit at any open table. I will call your order number.
Perfect. I will sit by the window.
That table is quiet. It is a good place to read.
Nice. I like quiet cafes.
Here is your number. Please keep it on your table.
I will. Thank you for your help.
You are welcome. Enjoy your tea.
First time in New York.
Excuse me, is this the visitor information desk?
Yes, it is. How can I help you today?
It is my first time in New York and I feel a little lost.
That is normal. The city is big, but I can help you.
Thank you. I want to see something famous today.
Then you can visit Times Square or Central Park.
Which place is easier from here?
Central Park is easier. You can walk there in about 15 minutes.
That sounds good. Is it safe to walk there now?
Yes, it is daytime and many people walk that way.
Great. Do I need a map?
Yes. Here is a simple city map.
Thank you. Can you show me where I am now?
Sure, you are here, near 59th Street.
And Central Park is this green area?
Exactly. You can enter the park from this corner.
Nice. Is there a good place to take photos?
Yes, the small bridge and the lake are very popular.
I also want to try a New York hot dog later.
You can find food carts near the park entrance.
That is perfect. Do they take cards?
Some do, but it is good to carry a little cash.
Good idea. I have some cash with me.
Also, keep your phone charged. You may need it for directions.
Yes, I will. I'm excited now.
New York can feel busy at first, but it is fun.
Thank you for making it easy.
You are welcome. Enjoy your first day in New York.
I will. Have a nice day.
You too, and ask us again if you need help.
Choosing clothes for a party.
Hi, I need help choosing clothes for a party.
Sure. Is it a formal party or a casual party?
It is not very formal, but I want to look nice.
I understand. Do you want a shirt, a jacket, or pants?
I think I need a shirt first.
What color do you usually like?
I usually wear blue or white.
Both are good choices. This light blue shirt is popular.
It looks nice. Is it comfortable?
Yes, it is soft, and it is not too heavy.
Can I try it on?
Of course, the fitting room is on the right.
Thank you. I will be back in a minute.
Take your time.
I tried it on. The color is good, but it feels a little tight.
I can bring one size larger.
That would help, thank you.
Here you are. This one should fit better.
Yes, this size feels much better.
Great. Would you like to see a jacket with it?
Maybe a simple one. Nothing too expensive.
This dark jacket goes well with the blue shirt.
It looks good together. Is the jacket on sale?
Yes, it is 20% off today.
That is nice. How much is the shirt?
The shirt is $25.
I will take the shirt, but not the jacket today.
Okay, I will take the shirt to the counter.
Can I return it if the party plan changes?
Yes, keep the receipt and return it within 14 days.
That is helpful. I will keep the receipt. Thank you. This will work for the party.
I think it is a good choice. You will look neat and comfortable.
Preparing for an English quiz.
Emma, the English quiz is tomorrow, and I feel nervous.
I know. I feel nervous too, but we can review together.
Good idea. Which part should we start with?
Let's start with daily routines. They are easy to practice.
Okay, I always forget when to use do and does,
We use does with he, she, and it.
so I say, does she work on Monday?
Yes, that is correct.
And with I, you, we, and they, I use do, right?
Right. For example, do you study English every day?
Nice, that makes sense.
Now let's practice short answers.
Okay, ask me a question.
Do you walk to school?
Yes, I do.
Good. Does your brother play football?
No, he doesn't.
Great. You answered quickly.
I feel a little better now.
Let's also review common vocabulary.
Like food, places, and school words?
Exactly. The quiz may have simple sentences.
I should read each question slowly.
Yes. Do not hurry. Look at the subject first.
That is good advice, and
We can also make 5 example sentences.
I can try one. I usually get up at 7.
Very good. Add one with she.
She usually gets up at 8.
Perfect. You remembered the S.
Thanks. Studying with you helps a lot.
We still have time. Let's practice for 10 more minutes.
Can we also practice spelling?
Sure. The teacher often gives one spelling question.
Then I should write the words, not only say them.
Exactly. Writing helps you remember.
I will write 5 words now.
Renting a bicycle.
Hello, I would like to rent a bicycle for the park.
Sure. How long would you like to rent it?
Maybe 1 hour. I just want a short ride.
1 hour is a good choice. Have you ridden here before?
No, this is my first time.
Then I can explain the rules quickly.
Yes, please. I want to be safe.
Stay on the bike path, ride slowly near people, and use the bell.
Okay. Is the bike path easy to follow?
Yes, there are signs in the park.
Great. Do you have a bike for beginners?
Yes, this blue bike is comfortable and easy to use.
It looks good. Is the seat high?
I can make it lower for you.
Thank you. That feels better.
You also need a helmet.
Is the helmet included?
Yes, the helmet is included in the price.
How much is 1 hour?
It is $10 for 1 hour.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, card is fine.
Do I need to leave an ID?
Yes, please leave an ID at the desk. You will get it back when you return the bike.
Okay, here it is.
Thank you. Please bring the bike back before 5 o'clock.
I will. What happens if I am late?
There is a small extra fee after 10 minutes.
I understand. I will watch the time.
Good. Enjoy your ride in the park.
Is there a place to stop and rest?
Yes, there are benches near the lake.
Nice. I may stop there and take a photo.
That is a popular place for visitors.
Thank you. I am excited to try it.
Bank card problem.
Excuse me, I have a problem with my bank card.
I can help you. What seems to be the problem?
The card did not work at the store this morning.
I see. Did the machine show a message?
Yes, it said, card declined, but I have money in my account.
Thank you for explaining. May I see your ID, please?
Sure. Here you are.
Thank you. I will check your account safely.
Is there something wrong with my card?
It may be blocked for security.
Security? Did someone use it?
I do not see a payment from another person, but there was an unusual online try.
Oh, I did not buy anything online today.
Then blocking the card was the right step.
What should I do now?
We can order a new card for you.
How long will it take?
Usually 5 to 7 business days.
Can I still take out cash today?
Yes, you can use your ID at the counter.
That is good. I need some money for lunch.
Okay, how much would you like to withdraw?
$50, please.
Sure, please sign this form.
Done. Will my old card work again?
No, it will stay blocked for safety.
I understand. Safety is important.
Here is your cash and your receipt.
Should I change my online password too?
Yes, that is a smart idea. Change it today if you can.
I will do that when I get home.
Good. It will help keep your account safe.
Thank you for helping me so clearly.
You are welcome. Your new card will arrive soon.
At the dentist reception,
Good afternoon. I have a dentist appointment today.
Good afternoon. May I have your name, please?
My name is Tom Miller.
Thank you. Let me check the schedule.
Sure.
I see your appointment at 2:30 with Dr. Green.
Yes, that is right.
You are a little early, but that is fine.
I wanted to arrive before the time.
That is helpful. Have you been here before?
No, this is my first visit.
Then I need you to fill out this short form.
Okay, what information do you need?
Your phone number, address, and any medicine you take.
I do not take any medicine now.
You can write none in that box.
Thank you. I also have a small toothache.
I will write that in the note for the dentist.
It started yesterday after dinner.
Is the pain strong or mild?
It is mild, but it is uncomfortable.
I understand. The dentist will check it carefully.
Do I need to wait long?
Maybe 10 minutes. The patient before you is almost finished.
That is fine.
Please sit in the waiting area. After you finish the form,
Here is the form.
thank you. Everything looks complete.
Great. Should I keep my phone on silent?
Yes, please. We try to keep the waiting room quiet.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. The dentist will call you soon.
public swimming pool,
Hi, is this the entrance for the public swimming pool?
Eyes, it is. Do you want to swim today?
Yes, but it is my first time here.
Welcome. I can explain the pool rules.
Thank you. I want to follow them correctly.
First, please take a shower before you enter the water.
Okay. Where are the showers?
They are behind the changing rooms on the left.
Do I need a swim cap?
Yes, a swim cap is required in this pool.
I have one in my bag.
Good. Also, do not run near the pool.
I understand. The floor can be wet.
Exactly. Walk slowly and carefully.
Is there a shallow area?
Yes, the shallow area is on the right side.
That is good. I am not a strong swimmer.
Then stay in the shallow area and swim slowly.
Are there lifeguards here?
Yes, 2 lifeguards watch the pool.
That makes me feel safer.
We also close the pool for cleaning at 4 o'clock.
What time is it now?
It is 2:30, so you have enough time.
Great. How much is the entrance fee?
It is $8 for one visit.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, please tap your card here.
Done. Thank you.
Here is your entrance band. Please wear it on your wrist.
I will. Thanks for explaining everything.
You're welcome. Enjoy your swim.
Are there lockers for bags?
Yes, the lockers are next to the changing rooms.
Do I need a coin?
No, you can use this small locker card.
Great. That makes it easy.
Lost and found desk.
Excuse me, is this the lost and found desk?
Yes, it is. What did you lose?
I lost my black backpack about an hour ago.
I am sorry to hear that. Where did you last see it?
I think I left it near the food court.
What does the backpack look like?
It is black, medium size with a small red keychain.
That detail is helpful. What is inside it?
A notebook, a water bottle, and my blue jacket.
Any money or important documents?
No money, but my school ID is in the front pocket.
What name is on the school ID?
Tom Miller.
Thank you. Please wait a moment while I check.
Of course.
We received one black backpack 30 minutes ago.
Really? Does it have a red keychain?
Yes, it does.
That sounds like mine.
I need to ask one more question before I give it to you.
Sure.
What color is the notebook inside?
It is green with a white label on the front.
That matches. Here is the backpack.
Thank you so much. I was worried.
Please check your things before you leave.
The notebook is here, the bottle is here, and the jacket is here.
Good. Everything is there?
Yes, everything is fine.
Please sign this paper to show you picked it up.
Done. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Try to keep it close next time.
Train platform.
Excuse me, is this the platform for the train to Riverside?
Let me check your ticket. Yes, this is the correct platform.
Great. I was not sure because there are many signs.
It can be confusing the first time.
My train leaves at 9:20, right?
Yes, but it is delayed by 10 minutes.
Oh, so it will leave at 9:30?
That is correct.
Thank you. Do I need to change trains later?
No, this train goes directly to Riverside.
That is good. I do not want to miss a connection.
You will be fine. Just stay on this platform.
Which car should I enter?
Your ticket says car number 3, seat 12.
Where will car number 3 stop?
It will stop near that blue sign.
I see it. Should I stand there now?
Yes, but please stand behind the yellow line.
Of course, safety first.
The train may arrive quickly, so keep your bag close.
I only have one small bag.
That is easy to carry.
Is there a cafe on the train?
There is a small snack cart, but not a full cafe.
That is fine. I just need water.
You can buy water from the machine over there.
Do I have enough time?
Yes, you have about 8 minutes.
Perfect. I will be quick.
Listen for the announcement after you come back.
I will. Thank you for helping me.
You're welcome. Have a safe trip to Riverside.
If this video helped you, please hit the like button. It really helps the channel grow. For more slow and easy English videos, subscribe to the Learn English with Daniel channel and turn on notifications. I'll be back soon with a new story.